looks exactly the same. Like the same steering wheel as mine.
Is it?
But then this and then this.
It's different.
Yeah, it's nice.
That.
Oh, you're good.
We can go straight out this way.
Yeah, this one. And this one has a front lip, right?
Yes.
All right, cool.
Yeah, it's got everything. My other manager bought he's got a Z06 too. He took the cats off.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Yeah, I wouldn't do anything like that. But I'm ready to go today. I think.
This is the one to get though.
Yeah, this the 3LZ. 2026.
I feel so much more different in this
3LZ.
car. Because I don't have that big lip here, you know?
Yeah.
So if you got your girlfriend, boyfriend, or whatever you're into, here, you know, they're not, you know, whenever my son drives my car with me, I'm sitting over here, I feel like I'm just, you know, to the side, you know?
But you know what the thing about Vets is? They're so comfortable.
Oh, they are.
They're daily drivers.
Yeah, I drove mine down to West Palm.
I daily drive mine to Orlando, Miami. I just want more power.
Yeah.
Even though they're fast, I just want something more aggressive.
Yeah.
And, you know, they're not far off in prices, like 50 grand more.
Yeah.
Or I got the Z51 brand new.
Yours is probably like 90 grand then.
Well, I got mine for sticker.
How much was that?
It was 75 MSRP, obviously tax title fees. I was probably like 80 out the door on it. So
What year is yours?
25 this year.
So you got a good deal on it.
Yeah, I did get a really good deal on it. That's why I went with it.
I think I paid 80 for mine, and mine's less for packaging. Let me make a U-turn up here.
Like
the difference in drive, like already.
Yeah, it's
more. It's like a Formula car.
Yeah, no, it's the best car in Formula. It really gives you that experience. The exhaust is perfect. There's no drone.
If you want to go now, this is gonna lose traction control. Just drive. You're gonna lose traction control, so don't give it too much gas.
Z mode.
So now it changes the exhaust a little louder, more deeper.
Wow.
Yeah.
It is very different.
It's tighter. Steering's tighter.
Yeah, yeah. I have the same Z mode.
You have the Z mode.
Yeah, I have the Z mode, so I'm familiar with it.
But see how it shifts different. See how much higher it shifts.
I love the burbles. That's like little burbles, you know?
Yeah.
Oh wow, this is perfect.
Isn't it crazy?
It's perfect.
Remember, it's got off traction control. It will lose a rear end.
Yeah. Yeah, and the lifetime warranty is sick.
Yeah.
I love the lifetime warranty on it.
Let me see if we change this. This mode.
I always keep mine on track. I always keep it.
Do you really?
Yeah.
Does that take off the traction control or no?
No, I don't think so, no.
No, it didn't. You're
No,
good.
it's on.
Get on
The cop.
it. Oh, yeah. They don't mess with us too bad.
Wow.
Crazy?
That's wild.
That's the difference.
It sounds so good though. It sounds like a Ferrari.
It's not, well, it's got the flat plate crate. So
Yeah,
you know that,
it sounds like it sounds identical.
Oh yeah.
And there's no drone either, you know?
No.
There's no drone at all. That's what I love about Corvettes is GM just tunes everything. So that's why I don't mess. I have my stock wheels. I have everything stock like in the garage. I think I only have is the rims. I put one of the carbon fiber wheels on.
Did you? That's why I like that wheel.
Yeah, I love
nice.
it. Love it. It's a nice little mod. And I have my high wing. That one came with the high wing Z51 wing. So I mean, this has everything. This is how I would want it to go.
Right.
You know?
Yeah, exactly. I like it too.
What year is yours?
24.
Oh, nice. They're bulletproof, right?
They are.
They're really.
I beat the shit out of them.
Yeah, I mean,
I'm not a Corvette guy. Like I baby that night.
Yeah.
I drive it like you drive yours.
Yeah,
I drive the same way.
I daily drive
if
mine.
you want to drive my car? Hey, here's the keys. Go drive it. Go beat the shit out of it. That's
I love
what it's for,
it. Yeah,
you know?
I love driving
These
mine.
Corvette guys that are out there, most of the Corvette guys, you can't touch their car at all. You know.
Yeah. No.
You turn up here when you go over the bridge.
Okay. Yeah. No. Absolutely. I love driving my car. That's why I always go
I've been doing a lot of
GM.
paddle shifting now.
Yeah.
Since I got my exhaust, it sounds like, you know.
It's so crazy.
So you know on this one, if you want to do a burnout, you
yeah.
do it, right?
Yeah.
Pull them back in, hit them twice, hold the one that back.
Yeah.
It's like a stall speed converter.
You right here, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
I love that downshift too.
That's what I'm missing in mine is the downshifts.
Yeah.
Like it sounds so good in track mode. Like don't get me wrong, I love how it sounds, but I miss that like downshift.
I know.
I want something that was higher pitched. And I'm like, I'm not gonna tear the exhaust and I'm not gonna do all that. Just buy a.
True, my thing is, dude, if you got the money, who gives a shit? Get what you want.
Get what you want, yeah. Wow. And I'm never gonna get a Ferrari or Lamborghini. This is it. This is all you need.
I would get one, but the upkeep is too much.
The upkeep. I mean, everything about a Ferrari and Lamborghini. How I say it, and what I tell my brother, like all my family, is like, if you want anything more than a Corvette, you're just getting a little greedy at that point. And a Corvette satisfies everything. You know what I mean?
Does.
I mean, what else do you need more than this?
I don't know.
Besides name, you know, I have a Ferrari.
I mean, I had a Lambo and I had a Ferrari back in my days when I had a car dealership. I bought them and had them for a few months. They're fun. They're wow, but these cars drive better than mine did. The way it's set up, the way this thing's mechanically set up.
This is sick.
Yeah, it drives perfect.
And it fits my persona, like my whole theme too. I like the blacked out.
Yeah.
I've only had black cars. It's perfect. It is perfect, but you know, I want to buy from a dealership that allows me to have the experience of buying your vehicle, you know?
Back in the day, they wouldn't let no one drive like the Hellcats and stuff like that. Because it was usually kids.
Yeah,
You're not a kid, you're a man.
Yeah.
And, you know, you have a Corvette already, so.
Yeah. Like,
but it's also, it makes you feel good that you know no one's ever driven this car and beat on it.
Right.
You know what I'm saying?
Right.
A bunch of people drive it, and here's the keys, go beat it on it. You know?
Yeah.
You're the first person that drive this car.
Well, I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna take it, so that's good.
If you do or not, but I can see you're a professional. I see you get your shit together.
No, I'm sold on it. I know what I was looking for. I know what I was looking for, and it just so happened this one turned up.
Yeah.
And it's the 2026 with the new, which I actually like. At first, I knew the 26s were coming out when I was getting my 25.
Right.
And I was like, I'm gonna miss the column that's so like, you know, futuristic and whatnot.
Like
but
almost like an airplane cockpit.
It's so much clean. It's so much more clean, you know? It is a lot more uniformed here.
Yeah.
Which is what I like.
The gauge over there. You can
That's cool too.
Performance gauge.
That's cool too.
You can change all your performance over there to the side where you have everything, pressures, all that stuff set up.
Do you care if I take it past a little bit?
Go ahead, man. Drive one.
Just want to see how it cruises. Probably in tour mode or something. That exhaust is pretty gnarly. I love the tour mode though.
So if you're going for a long ride,
tour is the way to go.
Great. You don't hear it. You don't hear nothing.
Yeah.
You know. What's cool is you can set this up. Like I live in a condo.
Yeah.
And in the morning when I start my car, it's really loud. But in this one, you can set it up to where it goes quiet in the morning when you start it.
Yeah.
If you wanted to.
Yeah.
And after, once you get in and hit start, then it gets louder.
Yeah.
You can adjust it to how you like it.
No, it's perfect.
Yeah.
I think this is the perfect car.
Yeah, it is.
I'm so serious. I'm not gonna ever. Before my vet, I had a Camaro SS, 23 2SS.
They're nice.
They discontinue them.
Yeah.
I was gonna get a ZL1, but you know they discontinued them.
Yeah.
And I was like, I'll just go vet. And before the Camaro, I had a C6. When I was like 17, I had a C6.
You're way ahead of the game there,
yeah. I work in personal injury autos.
What do you do?
Auto accidents.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm in personal injury law. So for people that are getting into auto accidents, I make them.
Jump on them first. Try to get them. My friend.
Well, they usually come to us, and then I get them a lot of money. So
yeah, that's good.
Yeah, it's just you know, you want a safe vehicle too, and GM's vehicles are so safe too. I don't know if you saw the one guy in the Corvette on the track. He like wrecked it. He like destroyed it. Really? I forgot. I saw the video. I was scrolling and I saw the C8 just hit the barrier, just got destroyed, and he walked out. Yeah. He walked out.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah.
They're safe vehicles, which is what I like.
They have the roll bar inside of them, and it's protected.
And the seats are Alcantara, right?
Yeah. Yep.
It feels more comfortable than my leather ones.
So is all this too.
Yeah, it's all Alcantara.
Yeah.
No, it's tough. It's a very nice option.
You can turn here, make a loop if you want.
Oh yeah.
Turn around. There's a couple turns you can make.
Yeah, I was looking right here. Yeah, right here.
You either just go straight a little bit longer. I'll tell you where to go.
Okay.
Not this turn lane, but the next turn lane.
Okay.
Not that one, no. You'll see coming up right. Yeah, right there.
Okay. I'm gonna turn in or make a U?
Yeah, turn left in there and you can make.
Oh, okay.
I'll show you.
I'm from World Golf.
Yeah,
that's where I live.
And turn left at the stop sign. It pops right back out.
Sweet. So the cool thing though is I work from home, so I brought my laptop
That's cool.
to sit and do work while you guys do everything.
Travel anywhere you want, you know?
Yeah.
That's great.
How much do you guys think you'd give me for my car?
I don't know. You know?
You guys will do the appraisal and everything?
I got Steve's here. He'll make it happen for you, man.
Okay,
You know,
cool.
he'll sell cars. You're with the right guy, you know?
Yeah. I love how these things drive. They're just so comfortable yet so aggressive.
Yeah.
They're like the perfect medium, you know?
They are.
They really are the perfect. But the lifetime warranty is something you don't get that. You don't get that stuff. You don't get that stuff.
Tell you what, 5 years or 3 years from now, when it's out of the 3 years, if your water pump goes, it's like $3 grand in this car. It's covered.
Yeah.
You know, your fuel pump is covered, and your motor mounts.
It's
All
actually
covered, you know.
Yeah. That's what I like too. You don't get that in like the different manufacturers, you know what I mean? You don't get that warranty. You know you can like beat on your you can beat on your car and you'll be fine. And I also like how you added the tint strip. That's cool.
You don't have to tint this at all.
It's already pretty much done.
That's exactly how I would do it. Not too dark in the front. You have this mirror. If you blocked everything out, you can still see outside.
Especially in the Florida heat.
Yeah.
Florida sun. I mean, I'm good on this.
It sticks, doesn't it?
It does. It's so nice. Well, what was your name again?
Danny.
Danny, I appreciate it so much for allowing me to experience it.
I'm a car guy too, man. I want you to have the experience. It's not the same when you buy a car you've never drove it.
Yeah.
You know it drives good, and you know it's fun.
Exactly.
Not this one, but the next one.
Yeah, exactly.
But you want to feel it, smell it, touch it, man. You know?
Yeah.
I'm an old school guy like that, you know. These people who buy cars that
I can't buy like without even I gotta see it.
Yeah.
Gotta see like why did he really like, you know, like hopefully it is just because you wanted a ZR1, but you never know with people. And maybe that's what he said to you guys, and you know,
we're a good dealership too.
I know. I know you guys have good reviews.
They're very straight here. We'll go to the yellow sign and we'll pull back under the overhang.
Sweet. Good stuff.
Yeah, my manager Pat, his Z06, he just was all white, so he put that light color, white and gray camo on it.
Yeah.
It's pretty nice. Looks pretty good.
Oh, nice.
I'm not a rap guy, but the camo looks pretty good on it.
Sweet.
Yeah. He's the one who took the Cadillac converters off and everything else, but I think these things are just perfect the way
He
they
took
are.
cats off on the Z06?
Yeah, he did. It's loud. It's really loud. It's already loud enough as it is. You know?
I feel like it is, yeah.
Turn left right here.
Cool. Those are Z06s too?
Yeah, mine.